Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a few different ways on how to open up the local security policy on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So please keep in mind if you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11 Home Edition, you do not have the local security policy utility on your computer. You have to be running the professional, education, or enterprise versions of Windows in order to have access to it. This was a change made, I believe, in Windows 10. I think Windows 8 and Windows 7 and earlier versions do not have this restriction. And we're going to go ahead and just move ahead with this tutorial at this point. And we're going to start by doing the easiest way, in my opinion, on how to open up the local security policy, which just be to utilize the search menu and just search for local security policy. One way on how to open it up. And the second way would be to open up the search menu, type in secpol.msc. Again, that's another way on how to open it up. You can go through a run dialog window as well if you would rather go that route. Just one less thing you have to click here. You can also open up through the control panel. So if you open up the control panel here and you sort your view by large icons, you can select Windows Tools. So you might have to scroll down, select Windows Tools, and then there would be, like I said, local security policy in here. Double click on it. So again, another very straightforward method on how to open that up. You can also open up through a command prompt or a PowerShell window. So we open up a command line window here and type in secpol and hit enter. That's another way on how you can open up the local security policy. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.